The founder of Tesla and SpaceX, the richest man in the world, is about to change the discourse on a social network that more than 200 million people use every day. Yes, we're talking about Elon Musk purchasing Twitter. You're on the Jelvix channel, and we're excited to share our thoughts on recent developments in tech in 5 minutes. And don't forget to subscribe not to miss new videos. Here we go. Elon Musk loves Twitter. He has a huge audience of subscribers. He tweets a lot, sometimes controversial, sometimes disastrous. Furthermore, he was banned from tweeting about Tesla's business by the US Securities and Exchange Commission after one tweet destroyed its $14 billion share price. But he never strayed far from his keyboard. The story with Twitter buying started in 2017. Business Insider editor Dave Smith had suggested that Musk buy a social network in response to the billionaire saying that he loved the platform. That prompted Musk to ask, how much is it? Let's talk about the financial side of the deal. To buy Twitter, Musk raised $25.5 billion in debt, including a $12.5 billion margin loan secured by his shares in Tesla from a group of bankers led by Wall Street banker Morgan Stanley. He also pledged to provide $21 billion in equity for the takeover, leaving him on the hook for more than 70% of the purchase price if he doesn't find other backers. So, what changes does Elon Musk plan to introduce? The very first thing is to make Twitter a platform for free speeches. Musk criticizes excessive moderation of online resources. Besides, he insists that social networks should not remove comments that, while offensive, are still legal. The next offered upgrade is adding an edit button. Unlike Facebook, Instagram, and other social networking apps, it's impossible to change content on Twitter once it's been posted. Musk said he supports allowing people to change what they tweet. Next would be placing Twitter's algorithm on GitHub. In his view, the software that determines what people see and how widely content spreads on Twitter should be open. Musk is planning to eliminate bot armies. He's sure that scammy bots promoting cryptocurrency hustles are inadmissible for Twitter. And the last innovation is scrap advertisements. Musk is planning to refuse making money on ads and launch a subscription model for Twitter. Are you ready to pay for using Twitter? Drop a comment. So, who isn't happy with the buying of Twitter? People are worried, as free speeches may lead to hatred and a toxic atmosphere over the platform. Let's look through some opinions. Actress turned activist Mia Farrow tweeted, "Well, if Twitter becomes even more toxic, with Trumpy treasonous lies and all the hatred, it will be taken less seriously, and people like me will quit, for peace of mind." However, some users like British actor Jamila Jamil have threatened to leave Twitter. And an important issue. Will Donald Trump be back? Musk has not publicly said whether he would allow former President Donald Trump back on the platform. In an interview with Fox News on Monday, Trump said he had no plans to try to return to Twitter. Instead, he would focus on his alternative social network, Truth Social. By the way, if you want to know more about social media app development, check out the article we have prepared. The link is in the description. What would Musk's taking over of Twitter mean for the platform? Opinions differ. For instance, Roy Gutterman, an expert on communications law and the First Amendment, says, "There are plenty of other businesses and entities that have single owners or private owners or answer to shareholders. So for the average person, I'm not sure a single entity will be that much different from a publicly traded company." While David Kaye, a law professor at the University of California, says, "If Elon comes in and changes the way the rules are adopted and the way they're enforced, I think it can just undermine people's interest in using the platform." What are the possible benefits? Experts have different opinions. Evan Greer, a political activist with Fight for the Future, "I don't see any benefit in one person purchasing a platform and changing the rules to his liking. I think it also remains to be seen how much granular control a private owner would even have." Roy Gutterman's position is a bit different. I mean, if we're to believe his commitment to free speech principles and the democratization of Twitter, then there will be plenty of opportunities for lots of different people that have lots of different viewpoints and have a platform. By the way, what do you think about it? Does Twitter have a bright future? This video was prepared by the Jelvix team. We help top brands worldwide to innovate and accelerate digital transformation. We share the latest news about tech trends and innovations. So make sure to subscribe not to miss a single video. Also, share which topics we need to cover next on our channel. And don't forget to press the bell button. Bye for now.